In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Zoho Creator. Creating forms is an integral part of building applications and managing data, and I'll guide you through the process to ensure it's as effortless as possible. Let's dive in. First, open Zoho Creator in your web browser. You'll find yourself on the home page with various options like Application, Microservices, and more. Here, locate and click on the Application section. This is where the magic begins. In this space, you can view all your existing applications and create new ones. Once you're in the application area, you'll notice a button to Create New Application. Click on it to start creating a form from scratch or by using ready-made templates. Templates are a great choice if you want to save time or need inspiration for your form structure. But for now, let's focus on creating a form from scratch. After you click on Create New Application, you're prompted to give your application a name. Choose something descriptive, as this helps you and your team quickly identify the purpose of the application later on. Once you've settled on a name, hit the Create button to proceed. This brings you to the application editor, where you can start crafting your form. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find a set of form elements you can drag and drop onto your form canvas. These elements include fields for text input, number input, drop-down menus, date pickers, and more. Think about the type of information you want to collect and drag the corresponding elements into your form. As you add fields, don't forget to configure each one to suit your needs. Click on a field to customize its label, add placeholder text, mark it as required, and set data validation rules if needed. This ensures that users provide accurate and complete information when they fill out your form. When your form resembles what you envisioned, it's time to fine-tune the layout. You can rearrange the elements by dragging them to new positions on the canvas. This improves the form's flow and enhances user experience, with smoothly aligned fields and logical sequencing. Once you're done arranging your fields, review your form for any errors or improvements needed. It's a good practice to preview it by clicking the Preview button at the top of the page. This allows you to fill out the form as if you were a user. This step helps identify any last-minute adjustments before the form goes live. Satisfied with your form's design and functionality? Great! Save your changes, and your form will be live and ready for data collection. Remember, you can always return to Zoho Creator to tweak or enhance your form as needed. With this foundational setup, start gathering the data you need efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating!